Hello, friends. After 2 3 days, we are back. Came back to meet you online. Today, I will just tell you one thing. You just choose your partner now uh, for marriage. So let me clear one thing. The some people, the actually man females who comes to man life now, what they think money is very important. His career is important. I just want to tell you guys, when you see the life partner na, there are the 40 to 50% they are the rich people in this. I'm just giving an example, okay? And there some people are a struggler, but they also want a better and a best life. And they also taking some people they were really taking a lot of efforts. Some people are leaving their country to achieve their goals, their for fame, for money, for luxurious life. I just want to clear you thing. If some people are really struggler, but they also want that life. But why it's happened? Because they are doing job. And some are the people who are getting their jobs now. They it's take a lot of time. And now and there's a woman tell I want to do who he works in government, yeah, or fair normal jobs they want, which is engineer jobs. And let me think, if you want a real life, you want to be a succeed man, then if you want, you can go for a businessman and see their life and one government life. Who is doing jobs and who is doing business. There is a lot of difference. But everyone can't take efforts to do a job. The people say they are really doing business now. They already have a financial support from family background. But the normal who are really middle class people, they just offer a good life. You do job and get a good job, get a best result. But what did the businessmen do? Because they already have a business in their background. And this who are normally who for a middle class family, they just achieve their jobs, which is uh, around 30 to 40 to 50,000 more than 1 lakh. In job who do, they don't achieve luxurious life. They will achieve, but it will take a lot of time because of the promotions, their skills. It's everything is depend on their skills and their efforts. But in businessmen, they also have achievement because the family background is businessman. So they know how to handle the business. Any kind of business is there. Transport is there. Hotel is there. Uh, what we say? Hostel is there. Some who wants to give uh, what we say, this the market which we buy the utensils and all. So this businessman, they already taken a lot of achievement, and their family background is a business related, so they know how to how to rule the business. But in a normal who do jobs, and today the females wants to marry with a luxurious life. So if you want to this, it takes a lot of time and lot of some who are really doing job now. Ask them how they do jobs. You are also doing jobs as well. But for a man who do job, they just be on loan. And businessmen, they also afford the loan, but not like much. because they have that potential, they have that confidence that I can pay the loan because they are the businessman. And business is never go loss. Remember, it takes time to come to take over the things, but in a job, it takes lot of time. You don't know how to what we say. It takes a lot of time to shows your skills and develop. It's depend on job. Businessmen, they just want to know. I want to take over my company. I want to take over what I'm doing this. So let me clear one thing to you. My thought is, if you are choosing a life partner now, and you don't want to be a businessman, you want to be a professional job guy. So what is happening? Who doing job and who is doing business? There are a lot of difference. You can't compare these two things because job is depend on this company and on promotion. But they are the owner of that business. They are ruling this what they want with what they are achieving. So these two things are very a difference that I want to explain you. So when you choose your life partner, na, just see how is his skills, what is his aim, what he's achieved, what is her thoughts. And if anyone saying you, "As I want to fly like, I want to shine like a star now," this guy who says you, that guy is very important in your life. Let me clear you. Because there are a lot of things. They are 30 years old, 35 years old. They are, the women and men are not getting married just because of these things. Because they want a luxurious life. They want to achievement. They want money. They want capital in his life. Everyone has one for capital. But what happens, when you go for a capital, there are the two things. One is business and one is job. And job level is depend on your skills. But businessman, he knows how to handle it. Because they have that skills, their family background. They know how to, if someone is running for a hotel, they have already built their hotel and they want to take a run up. So how do you know? They have the family background is like, that's why they are in that background. And they have the potential also. Because they already rich because of their businessman. But the one man who really wants a job now, it takes a lot of time. So what I want to think is, if you are choosing your life partner, just see his skills. If he is a businessman, he really likes you. But you think businessman is not this is not achievement. So the Tata, Ambani, Reliance Mall, they have high tech. They have run their they run their company because they have that knowledge. So the specific, I will tell 2, 3 hotels, which is Green Park, which is Vaishali Restaurant. These two hotels, I just restaurants, are like the luxurious. And the owner, I don't know name, but when I visited restaurant, everything is maintained within skills. They have that. But in a jobless who are doing jobs, first you enter in, first you get job, okay? After you got the job, then what? You take 1,000, 50,000, 60,000 salary, what this is. And after you get the salary, then it takes how much your skills should be, how should be. It depends on your skills. And it takes time to 30, 40, 50. But you reach to package of 4 to 5 lakhs, 5 to 7 lakhs. So it takes a lot of time. That's what I want to say is, just see how, and it's important how is your life partner should be. It's most important. It doesn't mean he's doing job, so he don't have that skills, and he's doing businessman, so I can't run for a business. Business very small category. But you know, the every businessman who goes for a famous. Today we have one. He sells some what we say sugar cane juice. He says only for 20,000, 20 rupees for one class. So you calculate how much month it takes for how much 1 month if you calculate. So how much profit he is going for, and you calculate in a year, then you will get your answer. I just want to know when you are getting for a life partner, just think what is his aim, how much he is talented. Don't see if he's doing job, okay. If he's doing businessman, so I will not, I will avoid him. If the businessman is giving you a luxurious life, is trying to give, so never leave him. And when he comes to you, and you goes to him, and you ask the questions that how much you earn and everything, they will not tell you. They will tell you, but when you will be free or when you are engaged, that time everything you will get it no automatically. Before that, they will never tell you anything. They are the skills they have, businessmen. But in you go for job, how much you want? He says, I have a package of 3 lakhs. I have a package of 4 lakhs. This is the difference between the businessman and the job man. So what I want to tell is, if you are really choosing the life partner, don't see how much he earns. He is capable to keep you happy in life. He is capable to take care of you. He is completing your aim. See that. That is most important. If you are happy with his earning 30 to 40,000 in a month, if you are happy with him, then you marry. But if he is earning 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, and you are happy with him, and if you want, no, I want more than him, and I will suggest you go to a businessman. Because today, it's happening this, I have seen a lot of divorces going on, just because of these things. Because you want a luxurious life, and your partner is not comfortable with this. So let me clear one thing. If you are really going to the guy who do job, see how much he keeps you happy first. If he's telling you, I earn 50,000, I earn 1 lakh, I earn 20 lakhs. No one can give the job of 20 lakhs. But if you are happy and see the skill that he really, and he told you, na, I want to shine like a star, then never leave him. Because anyhow he will complete your dream. Because the businessman will always keep you happy. That is my confidence. But jobless I can't tell, because jobless depend on the company. And who is ruling the company, that we don't know. I don't know. Means, but business, if I'm running for a business, there is my own business is there. So if and I know how to rule the business, and I can achieve profit in a month, which is 2-3 lakhs, more than that, because I know how to take over the business. But in a job, it's very difficult and it's very tough to achieve the man, because this is India. And some companies, which has closed. We have seen that news also. So I just want to tell you one thing. If you want to be happy in your life, then see the partner is really just capable. First you study yourself. If I am doing a job, man, and I want every luxurious life. And can he gives you that happiness, that calm, that peaceful life, then only marry. Otherwise, I will suggest you go to the businessman because businessmen they know how to handle their business. And I may I tell you, if you businessmen also know how to do the business and a job man also know how to achieve the job, and his placement is not depend on him. So just and may I tell you one thing, nothing is impossible. Everything is possible. If he's achieving job and sees his salary it should be 2 to 3 lakhs. If you want to be happy, that is not enough in your life. But you see